this is your snack sandwich. Today I have a really quick video for you on ZKITTY. Okay, now ZKITTY is an NFT project going to be minted on ZK era blockchain. It's pretty interesting. If you would like to support the channel, I would suggest you to check out the secretsandwich.xyz. It's the Secret Sandwich NFT project. You can come here, you can mint an NFT, or you can come and check out your NFTs. Okay, so let's get back to it. The utility. It has a utility token. It's an NFT. There's a lot of pictures here. You can kind of see some examples and stuff like that. So you mint, you get a random one of these generated. There are 5,333 of them. There's going to be a public mint and a pre-mint, like a whitelist mint. The cost of the public mint is 0.02 ETH, which is about this much, about $35. And then the whitelist mint is roughly $25 or so. I'm probably going to ask to be on the mint because it's kind of cheap enough that I can't lose. And I do know that this is not a rug. If I go to Discord here, and the general chat, this guy here, DeFi Trader, he's kind of a friend of mine. I know him fairly well, and this is his project. So I would think this is not a rug. I can say that for sure. So I'm safe enough in that. So what is this thing planning to do? It's planning on helping you to airdrop farm. Okay, so as always, come and read the docs. The docs doesn't really explain how things are gonna work. It just kind of explains like what are the features of this ZKITTY DAO. Okay, so I'm going to kind of go quickly through them. I don't really need to talk about tokenomics. It's just the amount of NFTs, right? The whitelist mint is to be determined. So like I said, I'm probably going to ask to be on the whitelist mint. The DAO is basically, the DAO has a control over the treasury that is produced from the minting, and then also from any kind of farming that is done with the treasury. This creator fund is a place where you can, like, if you're a content creator or a marketing specialist or something like that, you can apply to have a grant, and the ZK DAO will then decide whether or not to give you a grant. The project roadmap, you can read through that. Airdrop farming, it doesn't really explain, but it basically says that, like, this guy, DeFi Trader, he's going to be, and this team, they have a proprietary airdrop system where they've successfully farmed a lot of airdrops, and now they want to farm it on a larger scale. One of the airdrops that they are mostly keen on getting is the actual ZK era airdrop. So if this project is successful and does have a lot of activity, then they will probably get a decent ZK era airdrop. Airdrop farming, the artist talks about who is the artist, and then the merch show. They do talk about the fact that there is a merch store, and they already have one item described, which is a sweater with the ZK. So maybe I'll just open it up and let you show. So it talks here about worldwide using a Web3 merch store. So pay with Bitcoin, pay with Ethereum, pay with USDC or something like that. But as you can see, there is no link. But I would think if they've put this description here, that they have a plan on how to actually get that Web3 store open and ready to go. They do talk a lot about the details of the actual item, so I assume they've done the research on what is this item and so forth. So as always, there's not a lot here to explain. You mint an NFT, you become part of the DAO. The treasury is used to farm airdrops, and you get your share of the airdrop. It does say that you need to stake your ZKITTY in order to get your share of airdrops. So that means you can't get airdrops and have your ZKITTY listed on some NFT marketplace trying to sell it and stuff like that. As always, I'd come check out the Twitter, follow the Twitter, read the docs, and then of course join the Discord and ask more questions and so forth. Okay, so that's pretty much it. Appreciate it. Thanks for watching. I know this is a quick video. It doesn't really require much explanation, but like I said, DeFi Trader is kind of my friend. I know him fairly well, and this is his project, so I decided to share it with you guys. Okay, thanks again, and goodbye.